Let's do my first draw in this book. It's pretty hard. Thanks for all my subscribers. I think it's good. Almost done. Who should I draw next?